What's for lunch, Lauren? Lunch girl? Lunch maid?
Got dry bread.
Dry bread, lovely, yeah. And what's going on the dry bread?
Nutella and banana.
Nutella? Look at that. And banana.
Yep.
Very healthy.
That's it.
And what's the pudding?
Probably a muesli bar.
Muesli bar, lovely.
Maybe a GM.
Genetically modified peach, nectarine, can't quite work out the difference.
I think
But
it's
look,
peach.
basically it's the same size as Lauren's head, it's so freaking big.
How's lunch, Craig?
Good. Combination of that dry bread and the creamy Nutella, and then you get the lovely soft bananas. Beautiful.
I'm a good chef.
Hi, we made it to Florida.
We just arrived in Florida. We
6 months, 20,000 Ks.
Really expensive champagne to
Yeah.
celebrate the occasion.
Here we go again. So it's not going to get sticky. Oh my god, Lauren.
Have a good night's sleep, Craig.
Marvellous. Yeah, superb. Can't remember the last time I slept so well.
What was wrong with it?
27 degrees, humidity, sweating, girl farting next door to me.
Fuck you. What's breakfast, Craig?
Breakfast today is the finest. They're actually banned in many countries in the world.
Just
The
England.
one and only Lucky Charms!
Ooh.
Or the cheap version. Marshmallow Mateys. We're heading to the Keys! Oh, today we're heading to see alligators in the swamps that is known as the famous Everglades National Park.